बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। Welcome my dear students once again to my online class mathematics. Our today's lesson is estimate and measure weight, page number 821. Please open page number 821. Compare, use less or greater or equals to make a statement true. Some questions are given in this page. We have to see either it is less or equal or greater. We will put the greater or lesser sign or equal sign according to the given condition. In question number 5, 46 ounces and other side is 3 pounds. We will convert the pounds into ounces. See the working in the second line. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. So in this question 3 pounds, 3 multiplied by 16 is 48 ounces. 3 pounds, that is equal to 48 ounces, and other side is 46 ounces. 48 is greater number, that is equal to 3 pounds. 3 pounds is greater than 46 ounces in question number 5. Next number is 6, 96 ounces, and other side is 6 pounds. 96 ounces is equal to 6 pounds. Now see the working. If you want to convert pounds into ounces, you have to multiply by 16. 6 multiplied by 16 is 96. 6 pounds is equal to 96 ounces. Both the numbers are equal, so we'll put a equal sign here. In number 7, 130 ounces is greater than 8 pounds. Let us see. To convert 8 pounds multiplied by 16 is equal to 128 ounces. 8 pounds is equal to 128 ounces. Other side is 130 ounces. 130 ounces is greater than 8 pounds. Why? Because 8 pounds is equal to 128. 38 is bigger than 128. In number 8, 113 ounces is greater than 7 pounds. You can see the working in the next line. 7 pounds, now we are converting it into ounces. 7 multiplied by 16 is 112 ounces. Other side is 113 ounces. 113 ounces is greater than 7 pounds because it is 112 ounces. 7 pounds is equal to 112 ounce. It means 113 ounces is greater than 7 pounds. Next number is 9. 5 pounds is greater than 78 ounces. Let us see the conversion of pounds into ounces multiplied by 16. 5 multiplied by 16 is 80 ounces, that is equal to 5 pounds. So 5 pounds, that means that is 80 ounces is greater than 78 ounces. Okay. Next number is 10. 9 pounds greater than 145 ounces. 145 ounces. See the working. 9 multiplied by 9 pounds. We will multiply by 16 to get ounces. 9 multiplied by 16 is 144 ounces. 144 ounces is, that is equal to 9 pounds. 9 pounds is less than 145 ounces because 9 pounds is equal to 144 ounces. Next number is 11, my dear students. 10 pounds is equal to 160 ounces. Now we are going to convert 10 pounds into ounces. 10 multiplied by 16. Why? Because 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. 10 multiplied by 16, you will get 160 ounces. 10 pounds is equal to 160 ounces, and other side is 160 ounces. Both are same, so it is equal. Our last number is 12 pounds is less than 196 pounds. We will convert 12 pounds into ounces because other side is ounces, so we need both the sides same to compare. That's why we are going to convert pounds into ounces. 12 multiplied by 16. Why? Because 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. We want to convert 12 pound into ounces. 12 multiplied by 16, we will get 192 ounces. 12 pounds is equal to how much? 192 ounces. And other side is 196 ounces. 196 ounces is greater and 192 ounces is less. Okay, my dear students, hope you understood the conversion of pounds and ounces. Now we have some homework. In page number 823, the question is compare, use greater, less or equal to make a statement true. You will use the same method and you will solve the questions. In page number 823, you have question from 1 to 4. You have to solve this and you have to decide which is bigger or lesser or equal. Thank you very much. Thank you for understanding the lesson. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.